Super Easy Drawings! Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyó and his friends. At first, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I'll divide it into 6 small squares. In the first square, I'll draw Pato the duck. I draw his eyes, his beak, then his hat on top of his head. Finally, I draw his neck. Next to him, let's draw Pocoyó. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He's wearing a hat. Finally, I draw his shoulders. Next to him, on the third square, I'll draw Elly the elephant. I start with her eyes, then I draw her elephant nose, the shape of her head, and her 2 big elephant ears. I draw her shoulders and also the straps of her backpack. On the fourth square, I'm going to draw Lula the doggy. I draw her eyes, her nose, then the shape of her head with her 2 ears. Finally, I draw her shoulders. Next to him, I will draw Nina. I draw her eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her face, her hair, then her funny hat onto her head. Finally, I draw her shoulders too. Last but not the least, I draw Freddy the octopus. I draw his silly eyes and his widely open smiling mouth with his 1 tooth. I draw the shape of his head and some of his legs. Awesome! Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Pato's skin yellow. Then I use orange for his beak and green for his hat. I color Pocoyó's skin with this cream marker. Then I use light red for his mouth. I color his clothes blue. And finally, I add a little yellow here. For Elly's skin, I use this pink marker. Then I color her backpack straps blue. For Lula's skin, I use light brown. Then I color her ears purple. I color Nina's skin cream. Then I use light red for her mouth and red for her hair. I color her outfit with this green marker. I color Freddy's skin with this red marker. And finally, I use black for his mouth. Great! Now let's color all the squares behind our friends with the colors of the rainbow. I color the first square behind Pato red. Then for the second square behind Pocoyó, I use orange. The third square behind Elly is going to be yellow. The fourth one behind Lula will be green. The fifth square behind Nina is going to be dark blue. And finally, I use purple behind Freddy for the 6th square. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!